Hi, I'm David Barton. I'm chairman of the board at Mercury One. And one of the funds we have at Mercury One is an educational fund where we're able to obtain original documents that show us much about who we are as a people today and who we can be based on who we were. Which means that we collect historical documents that reflect the good and the bad and the ugly. We can learn from the ugly so that we don't do it today. One of the ugly parts of history is in this book right here. You open this book up and it starts out with ballots voting for Adolf Hitler as leader of Germany. And it's interesting, he's the only name on the ballot. You continue through this book and it starts showing you the markings that they're going to use to designate enemies of the state. And as you get over a few pages later, you start seeing these markings. And lo and behold, there's all of these Jewish markings. This is what was used to turn a group of people into enemies of the state. This book is filled with all the evil of World War II. The reason it's important for us is it reminds us that, as the Declaration says, all men are created equal. They're endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights. And this is a period in time when we didn't believe that. We didn't believe that all men were created equal. When we lose that belief, that conviction, that knowledge comes from God, we will have the same bad results. So that's why we collect history at Mercury One, so we can show the good, the bad, and the ugly so that we won't make those mistakes again today.